I'm back up here in the hospital again one more time. I want to see if I can do some more filming up here. There's a couple things, you know, I wanted to actually film. Brought my night vision camera, so hopefully I can go downstairs into the area that they said the morgue was. It's a little dark in there, so I figured the night vision camera would be able to pick up a lot more. But anyways, here we are again, back January 4th. Alright guys, just to verify the date so you guys know that I am here, it's January 4th 2018. I brought up latest news on my phone here, so just to verify that yes, it's 2018 January 4th and we are back at the hospital. One of the things I did notice is there was a sign here, and that sign is now gone. Alright, so this is the entrance here, as you guys can see. I actually talked to a couple guys online yesterday, and they filled me in as far as different things that were in here. But yes, this is the main entrance. Some of you guys, like I said, were stationed here and stuff, and you guys would recognize this. But I didn't get, yesterday I didn't really film too much in here. So I wanted to quick pick some of this up, walk around, and show this area here. This almost looks like an outside courtyard area where you might have sat outside. Lots of graffiti. Seen that chair down there. I thought there was somebody standing there. Some of the graffiti on the walls in here. Here's the elevator shafts. I have my partner with me today. Look. Just watch out. Don't fall through any of the holes, or we could be in trouble. Yeah, like I said, this is the main floor. Yesterday, the guy that was showing me around, for some reason, he couldn't count the floors right, and I forget how many floors we were up, but there are 6 floors to this hospital from what I'm told. You have the bottom floor, and then you have this floor, the main floor here. Can't really see the bottom floor from the front of the hospital because it's kind of under the ground, and then you have a total of 6 floors. So that's what I was told, a total of 6 floors. I was also told there was a heliport on top. after collecting more information yesterday, I found out that there was no heliport on top. Now, was it there during the Vietnam War when they were here and the hospital was used for the casualties of Vietnam? I don't know, but as far as people I talked to, and they told me that no, there was no heliport on the roof. Go this way. There's the ping pong table. All right, that pretty much covers the main floor here. Go back this way real quick. And we are coming up to where we started, the main entrance. All right, guys, we're going to head down now into the lower level. Kind of using a flashlight here so you can see. It gets darker or it gets lighter as you come down. But let's head down here. I'll break out my. Can you see that? Yeah. I'll break out my infrared camera down here because it's dark down here, and kind of wanted to film down here with my infrared. Can you turn that off for me? Kind of wanted to film down here with my infrared, but this is the lower level, the bottom level, and you can see what's down here. I said some of you guys do know what was down here. I have no clue. I know the back dock is over there, but this is where they said the morgues were. Now, I talked to a few fellows that were here pre-Pinatubo, and they had told me there were no morgues here. Now, whether or not during the Vietnam era there was morgues here and they stored bodies here, I don't know. Maybe somebody can let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna get my infrared camera out and do some filming back in here. All right, guys, so this is what I was told. These building, or this structure here, this room here, was where the morgues were, right in here. Like I said, I don't know how true it is. I'm not gonna step in there because there's a lot of rocks all over. But yes, I was told that these rooms here were used as a morgue. Head back this way a little bit. Some extra rooms here on the sides. Apologize for the shaking of the camera, but no stabilizer with this camera. Just more rooms down through here. Let's head down this way. Another corridor. More rooms. Now here, another room. Here you can see there's a furnace here. I was told this is where they cremated bodies. Now, I later found out that there was no crematory here in this hospital. So, could be part of the the ghost stories that go on. But there's the little furnace. Here's what. I think, hang on, I'm playing around here. Trying to find where the elevator shafts were. Maybe through here. No, I don't think I went up a step. Says it all right there, huh? Beware of ghosts. I don't know if we can pick it up in here. Yeah, we can. Light shining down. That little hole right there. Was told it was bodies were buried down there. I also found out that that was not true. So, but anyways, stories, ghost stories, and stories passed down through history. All seems to change, but this is just another big open area here. I'll head down this way, pick up the light down this way. Just more rooms. It's kind of creepy walking through here. And if somebody were to jump out at me right now, they probably would scare the living shit out of me. Just more rooms off to the side. Open space. And we'll come around this way. And we'll come this way. And this goes to the outside. Just another room. All right. It's really about all I can really show you down here because everything's pitch dark, so. Gonna find our way outside. Today I'm not going to head up onto the other floors. Huh? That's a way out, but I'm not going that way. Just more rooms. And we'll walk down through here. like they've been demolishing it. Well, I guess we gotta turn around. It's like a big maze down here. Yeah, if you want. It's just a big old maze down here. Gotta kind of find your way out. Or we could always go up the steps. Oh, this is a dead end. This is like the beginning of a horror story. We got in, but we can't find our way out. Huh? Highlight? Old shoe. Oh, we could get out that way. Yeah, we'll get out this way. Those are the docks. Yeah, let's get out this way. Alright, we're out. Alright, so yesterday I went into this here building 1 emergency room. I don't know who put that on there or if that changed from time to time, but I was told the emergency room was in the main hospital. So, but anyways, here's this building out here, off to the left here. If you guys can see it, let me zoom in quick. This building right here. Don't know what it is. Maybe somebody can let me know. Said it's in the back of the hospital here. And then you have this structure right here, this wall. Don't know what that is either, what part of the hospital that was, but it's here. And we're going to stroll around to the other buildings that I wasn't in yesterday and do a little filming in there. Alright, so this is the back end of the psychiatric ward here. And I'm going to head down here to these buildings back here. I have no clue what these buildings are either. So we're going to find out, or we're going to check them out. See, in here they even have operating room. Was this an operating room back in here? I don't know. Don't know. This is inside this building. In this building down here. Go check it out. Oh, this says the Morgue. Coming up on the sign it says the Morgue. Was this the Morgue? I don't know. But it says Morgue. Morgue. This way. That was a bat. You see that? No. That was a bat. Just more rooms. What's it say? Oh, morgue. Actually has arrows pointing here and here. So they're saying this was the morgue. Step inside. All right, so I think I've been in every single one of these buildings here. I've been on every floor inside the hospital, from the ground floor all the way up to the 6th floor. Been in every one of these outbuildings here. And that's it. Monkey Willie. Another morgue. Seems to be a lot of morgues around here. White Panther. And we're back out to the walkway to the main hospital. All right.